Hello, welcome to another video on Premiere Pro. So, I've got two sequences here. These are two videos I've worked with recently, Goldfinch and Speedboat. Let's try and put this pencil in front. Then we'll do the pencil in front here. If you press Control, it will do. It's like called ripple insert. So it will do things. This one doesn't. There's no audio for the pencil. All right. So there's different ways that you can there's a few different options we've got, and we've got nest, and we've also got grouping. Okay, so if we go for nest, what it does is so we're going to just call this uh, this nested sequence pencil, and I think should say it here. So you can see this immediately turned to green, and when you click on it, you can see we're actually in the pencil nest here. So what I think is a good use of this is if we go to effect controls, say in the pencil, right? Just do a simple effect on this. I just use my favorite effect that we've got at the moment. So I'll just use like one of my favorite effects. So I'll just use the one which I'm kind of like enjoying at the moment, which is turbulent displace, right? So we're going to put that into here, and we'll just ramp it up the turbulence. All right, so it's the same thing on two different ones. And then if I go into the nest, right, I could change the effects of this. So I could put in for instance, if I just changed it to something which was less. So if I change this to, for instance, to twist instead, right, it will have a different effect. You can see it's going to have that different effect.